Good morning everyone. My name is Anixa Sian. I am studying in 4th standard A1. My school name is Newton Grammar School. I have taken the topic National Symbols of India as my weekly activity. National symbols represent a country. These symbols reflect freedom, unity, culture and heritage. All citizens must know these symbols and must respect them. According to more sources, India has 17 national symbols. Some important national symbols of India are: first one, national flag. The tricolor is the national flag of India. It is the symbol of freedom and unity. Saffron color symbolizes strength and courage. White color symbolizes peace and truth. Green color symbolizes fertility and growth. And navy blue wheel symbolizes constant movement and progress. The next national symbol is national emblem. That it has four lions at the base, a horse, a bull, and a wheel in the middle. Satyameva Jayate is written below the wheel. The next national symbol is national anthem. Jana Gana Mana is the national anthem of India. It was composed by Rabindranath Tagore. The next national symbol is national song. Vande Mataram is the national song of India. It was composed by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. The next national symbol is national animal. The Royal Bengal tiger is the national animal of India. It is known for its intelligence, bravery, and strength. The next national symbol is national bird. Peacock is the national bird of India. It is the symbol of beauty, grace, and joy. The next national symbol is national flower. Lotus is the national flower of India. It is the symbol of divinity, fertility, wealth, knowledge, and enlightenment. The next national symbol is national tree. The banyan tree is the national tree of India. It symbolizes strength, unity, and shelter. That's all. Thank you, Anandal.